Our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik is joining us live from Islamabad for more on this. Good evening to you, Anas. Cleric Maulana has been slammed for his terribly misogynistic comments on COVID-19 pandemic, and Imran Khan has been condemned for remaining silent on this issue.
Absolutely. This is a very popular cleric, Maulana Tariq Jamil, who happens to be close to those in quarters of power, regardless of whatever the government is. We've seen him close with the Pakistan People's Party during their tenure, then the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, and then off late, we've seen him up close with Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan as well. Now, he made these remarks during the telethon that was live telecasted over the Pakistani media on the 23rd of April. That was on Thursday, and the Pakistani Prime Minister was sitting there. Interestingly, there was a female media person among those panelists as well during part of that telethon as well, but nobody dared to call out on Maulana Tariq Jamil on his remarks, on his misogynistic remarks and anti-women remarks. Senator Shahri Rahman of the Pakistan People's Party, she took to Twitter and she condemned Maulana Tariq Jamil's remarks. Then we saw Shiri Mazari also condemning those remarks as well, and she said that nobody should be allowed to make such remarks. Interestingly, Shiri Mazari in her tweet did not name Maulana Tariq Jamil while she took to Twitter to condemn it anonymously, as wouldn't be wrong to say. Now, if I take you through with the course of events, very interestingly, Maulana Tariq Jamil on the 23rd also made remarks with regards to media as well, saying that all of the media of the world are liars, quote unquote, and that he had given such a suggestion to one of the channel owners in Pakistan as well. He was confronted by the Pakistani media fraternity on a number of TV shows, and then he later apologized. A day later, he apologized on those remarks with regards to the media that he had said, but he are yet to see a comment being made or any word being spoken from his end with regards to with regards to the remarks that he made on women. But this is not the first time that Maulana Tariq Jamil has made such remarks, and what is appealing to see is the fact that the Pakistani government has chosen to remain quiet. Only a few voices from the opposition have spoken up. In fact, as I said, Shiri Mazari, the government minister, and Fawad Chaudhry has backed Shiri Mazari within the Imran Khan cabinet. But by and large, we haven't been seeing much debates on it, much talks on it. There have been condemnations from the section of Pakistani media, basically women journalists who are working, but we're yet to see the government going ahead, taking the onus of responsibility and apologizing on these misogynistic remarks that have been made by Maulana Tariq Jamil. Yes, Alison.
Anas, thank you for that report. Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik joining us for the latest on that.